How to delete a second Instagram account. First, open your Instagram app on your phone. Then make sure you're logged into the Instagram account. Now at the bottom right corner, click on the profile icon. Now at the top right corner, tap on the 3 lines of your profile page. You will move to the settings and activity from the menu, then tap on Account Center. Next, go to Profiles and you'll see the list of all connected accounts. Now go back, click on the personal details, then select Account Ownership and Control. Here, choose Deactivation or Deletion. Now is the crucial step. Choose the second account you wish to delete. On the next screen, pick Delete Account, then click on Continue. You'll need to give a reason for deleting your account. You can select the reason you like, press Continue. Again, click on Continue, and you'll be asked to enter your password to confirm it's really you. Finally, press Delete Account. Remember, this is permanent. But don't worry, if you change your mind, you have 30 days to recover your account. And that's it. Follow for more hidden tricks.